Good day friends. My another topic in power lecture series is dynamic characteristics of SCR. Here, as we all know that SCR is a 4-layer 3-junction device, PN, J1, J2, J3 in junction, and terminal is anode, cathode and gate. Okay, this was the characteristics of SCR, where IV characteristics. First, leakage current is flow. Then, after a breakdown, sudden current will increase after some decreasing of voltage. Okay. So, this is was characteristics. What about dynamic characteristics? Dynamic characteristics basically are turn on and turn off. How the SCR is turn on and how it will turn off. So, this is the dynamic characteristics of SCR. I will explain it. Basically, dynamic characteristics was VG, gate voltage, gate current, and anode voltage. Okay. So, SCR will turn on after the gate current will apply or after gate voltage. Okay. So, if we give the gate voltage, positive gate voltage, forget this one. This one is positive gate voltage. This one. If we apply positive gate voltage, so this one, positive gate voltage. Gate voltage will remain positive for turn on method. Okay. So, IG. In a starting, IG. This one, gate current will increase exponentially. Okay, this exponentially increase. So, it will, when it will reach 90 to 100%. Okay, that is called delay time. There are many definitions for delay time. I will explain it. When gate current will reach 90 to 100%, at that time anode current will not flow, because this one, so you can see gate current will positive, or we can say breakdown. Okay, if we give gate current positive, anode to cathode current IA. Okay, when gate current reaches 90 to 100%, then anode current will increase, but not to 100%. So, when at that time, when 90 to 100% reaches gate current, at that time anode current will reaches leakage to 10%. Okay, leakage current to 10%, and that time voltage across anode to cathode, anode voltage will decrease 100% to 90%. That is called delay time. TD. Delay time. So there are 3 definitions of delay time. Delay time, first one is gate current increases from 90 to 100%. Second, anode current increases from leakage to 10%, or voltage, anode voltage decreases from 100 to 90%. That is delay time. After reaches to 100%, after reaches gate current to 100%, it goes straight. Anode current is stable now after 100%. Okay, then gate current is stable now. After this, when it is stable, anode current reaches 10 to 90%. This one. 10 to 90%, and anode voltage is reaches to 90 to 10%. Okay, anode current reaches 10 to 90%, then this time anode voltage reaches to 90 to 10%. That is called rise time, TR. This one, rise time. This is called rise time. After that, when anode current reaches 90 to 100%, and anode voltage reaches to 10 to forward conducting voltage, or we can say leakage voltage, like forward conducting voltage. This one and this one. This is called spread time. Spread time. Okay? This is called spread time. So this is a turn on characteristics of SCR. So how we can turn on the SCR? This will turn on characteristics. And now what about turn off characteristics? So if we want to decrease, if we want to turn off, so there are two methods. First one is method we will talk about later. We will talk about method later. So there are two times. First, due to charge carrier in J2 and due to charge carrier in J1 and J3. Okay, first of all, we have to remove the charge carrier in J2, junction 2, gate terminal, and second one is we have to remove charge carrier from J1 and J3 junction, anode and cathode junction. Okay, so first we should remove the charge gate voltage. So if we remove the gate voltage, anode current will decrease at the rate of di by dt. This is a rate of current, rate of change of current with respect to time, di by dt. Let's suppose the anode current will decrease by the rate of di by dt. After reaching 0, due to charge carrier in J1 and J2, J3, the J1, J2 and J3, due to some minority charge carriers, so the current goes negative. Current goes negative. Okay, the current goes negative. So this current goes negative at the maximum level, and then it goes further upside. So this one and this one. This is called TRR, that is reverse recovery time. This is due to junction J1 and J3. It will due to junction J1 and J3. This one, J1 and J3, anode to cathode junction. This current, negative current, will flow due to junction J1 and J2 charge carriers. After removing J1 and J3 charge carriers, some charge carriers will be due to J2. This one, gate current. So due to that, due to charge carriers in J2, some current are there. To full turn off, J2 should be removed. To full turn off, J2 should be removed. At this time, when J2 removed, that is called TGR. TGR. Okay. So this one is turn off. And what about voltage? Anode voltage. It is interesting that at this time, when we get highest negative, so we get a spike in an anode voltage. We get a spike basically a spike in anode voltage, then it goes to 0. So the time from 0 to a certain value, this one, from 0 to a certain value, that is called reverse recovery time. We talk about reverse recovery time in diode classification. So the Schottky diode, general purpose diode, and fast recovery time. So this is called reverse recovery time when diode, SCR, when any power diodes or power power component get current from 0 to a certain value by recovering their junctions. That is called reverse recovery time. So friends, this is a dynamic characteristics of SCR. Dynamic characteristics is basically a turn on and turn off method of SCR. So this is a graph we can see from turn on and turn off method. This is turn on time is a turn on time. Basically, turn on time is a combination of TD, TR and TS. TD is delay time. Delay time basically when the gate current increases from 90 to 100%, anode current reaches to leakage to 10%, and anode voltage reaches to 100 to 90%. Rise time is basically IA increases to 90 to 100%, and rise time is reaches to 10 to 90%, and anode voltage reaches to 90 to 10%. And then spread time is that when VA, anode voltage is decreases from 10% to certain forward conducting voltage, and anode current reaches to 90 to 100%. That is rise time, and spread time. So this is a turn on method, and turn off method is basically a combination of TRR and TGR. Basically TRR is reverse recovery time, and TRR is then when we remove the junction J1 and J3. Okay, and TGR is gate recovery time when we remove the junction J2. Okay, so reverse recovery time is when we remove the junction J1 and J3, this battery. Okay, so reverse recovery time when we remove the junction J1 and J3, and gate recovery time when we remove the junction J2, and the total time is called turn off time of SCR. So this is a final graph of turn on and turn off time, dynamic characteristics of SCR. You can copy all the, basically it is a dynamic characteristics of SCR. If you have any query regarding this, you can comment me in a comment box. I will explain that. If you want any topic, you can call me, you can tell me in a comment box. Good day, stay safe. Thank you.